Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to keep track on the watch history of your child and how to keep track also on the channels he is subscribed to. So all you need to do is log in to your child's or to your YouTube Kids account and then choose your child's profile and then press on the go to profile here. Now you can see his watch history and the channels he is subscribed to. If you want to clear the watch history, all you need to do is press on here and then enter the passcode, submit. Now choose the profile of your kid. Now scroll down, you will see clear history. Press on OK and it will be deleted, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.